Hi everyone, much to my boyfriend's dismay, I actually ordered one of these Shiwis online this week and yeah, it arrived. I tried it for the first time at home in the shower and then I managed to get some footage of me whilst I was out on a long walk in nature with my friends on a few days ago, and I got my friend Christy to film me peeing through this. I'll just play the clip. One more thing just before we play the clip. I thought that that was a bit narrow to go over my vagina, but in fact, if you think about it, pee only comes out of one little like hole of your, you know, so it doesn't really need to fit over the whole area. That's just in case you're thinking like my vagina is bigger than that. That's what I thought too, but when you just place it over the right part of it, as soon as you get that position right, you're good to go. And this attachment, hysterical, absolute. But I just find that hysterical. Anyway, here you go.
Oh, she's just getting her trainers on, ready to use the Shiwi?
Whenever. Yeah, I just put my trainers on because I'm about to use the Shiwi. So I've tried it twice now. Oh, sorry, there's something in my shoe.
It's not very smooth.
I have tried the Shiwi twice, and both times were in the comfort of my own home. So let's see how it goes. I've also drunk a small bottle of Prosecco. This is what it looks like. This is the attachment that goes away. You know, don't have to say, do I? And then this is the large attachment. I've never used this large attachment, but since we are out in nature, I might try that. And yeah, just check no one's around.
just you.
Just me.
Don't worry, it's nothing he hasn't seen before.
No, we've stayed in plenty of hotel rooms.
I'm just going to pull my thing to the side now. I'm placing it just in place. Okay, so you can come to the side. So I'm placing it where I would normally place it.
This is hilarious.
Are you looking at? You can't see.
I can't see anything. I can see the lilac.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait for this.
Purple dick.
Is that? Are you weeing?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh no! It came out.
Do you feel pressure because we're here? Stage fright.
I'm actually peeing all over my jumpsuit.
No!
This is the first time it's gone wrong. This is the first time.
I knew it was going to go wrong.
It's still coming up the Oh god, look.
Got you some of this.
I can't. I need to get it under my armpit.
Yeah.
This is it's non-stop weeing. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. I don't know if the camera can. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I did have a small injury. Like, obviously it did go quite a lot on my jumpsuit, but that was due to positioning.
That's not an injury. That's just an accident.
And now I just shake it off.
Oh, it's just
Really like
give it a little shake.
Penis.
Yeah, and then I will just sort of go in and just get any leakages that did happen, and obviously I'd got a few leakages on my hands. But overall, that's my peeing done. No squatting.
No.
Okay.
No holding it in.
I did. To be honest, there was a tiny bit of leakage. But I'd say 80 to 90%. 90% of that went through here, as you saw. I hope it looked good on camera.
Oh, wonderful.
It was worth it. Oh, this is going to be a staple now in my travel, I travel like I go everywhere. I mean, I just go on a few walks. You know
I'm just going to my bathroom.
And what I will invest in is an anti-bac spray, so that now that I'm putting it back in its container, I can just, sorry, the reason I'm being weird is because my pants are still wedged to one side.
Do you want to rearrange yourself?
That's fine now. Yeah, that's just literally goes back in like that. Shove that in.
Oh dear.
I am thrilled with that. I think it was £9.99. I'll make sure I link it up. So, there you go. So, there you have it, guys. 90% of my pee came through this. Yeah, I was really impressed. The brand is Shiwi. They've got their own social media page. It's not sponsored, I just think it's a great product, and it's definitely going to be, as I said, a staple with me on my country walks now. And this is my little box that it goes in. So please let me know if you've ever tried this. We find it hard to pee in nature. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all of the things. Leave the ads rolling if you can. It really helps me out. Really helps me buy more Shewees. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Blame it on me when I lose control. I know I